New with Dot3D 5.3 and up, we are back on Android. And not only are we on Android, but we are also on the Google Play Store for even more convenient access, updates, and purchasing of your Dot3D products on Android. Supported cameras here still include Intel RealSense depth cameras, as well as DPI-X and DPI-10 kits. So just go to the Google Play Store, search for Dot3D, and get started with the new Dot3D for Android today. So we're going to open her up, accept all permissions, and start our first scan with the Intel RealSense D455 depth camera attached to the back of this Motorola phone. To start this very first scan, you will need to either subscribe, start a free trial, enter a license key, or continue in free mode for testing only with no export. And then once you press the start scanning button, you're immediately capturing a color 3D point cloud dataset of everything you point your Android device at, as shown here today. Check it out on the Play Store now.